Fill a syringe with glitter epoxy and inject it into a butterfly mold. Allow the epoxy to set. Then remove from the mold. Attach a keychain and hook to the wings. They'll make eye-catching earrings. Wow, they look good. Who said earrings need to be expensive? Hi, David. See anything you like? There's so much to choose from. I like this. Wow, these are so pretty. But I don't think I can buy anything. I'll just go. Bye. Maybe I should just make my own jewelry. I have everything I need in here. Let's have a look. Oh, this'll be useful. I'll thread the beads onto the string. This is trickier than I thought. Almost. Come on! I did it! Now I'll just tie it off. Ugh! Let's try this again. I'm pretty happy with that. It's a little small. Maybe I can slide it over my hand. Okay, that's not gonna work. I'll need to stretch it. No! Not again! This is so annoying! That's it! Stupid bracelet! I just wanted something pretty to wear. Ugh! Huh? Where did these lemons come from? Wow! Look at that! There's so many! This gives me an idea! If you're a fan of fruit and jewelry, you'll love this! Cut a lemon into slices. Watch those fingers! Place the lemon slices onto a baking tray and place them in a warm oven. Cook the lemons until they've been dried out. Just like this. But these aren't for eating. Next, fill a container of liquid glass. Use a wooden skewer to dip the lemon into the liquid glass. Make sure the lemon is fully coated and let the excess liquid fall off. Place an earring hook through the hole made by the skewer. Do the same with the other slices. Wow! I love these! Mother Nature would be proud. It's time for me to earn some money. I'm open for business! What do you think? I love them. I'll take a pair. Here you go. Hi, Ava. I love your earrings. Can I trade you? Of course! Here you go. Wow, I really wanted this. They're so cute. I should be in a shampoo commercial. What a great swim. And I found this shell. I know. It'll make the perfect gift. Let's turn this shell into something special. Start by painting the shell with blue paint. Make sure not to miss any spots. Then let the paint dry. Next, we're gonna need gold paint. Add a small strip of the gold paint around the edge of the shell, just like this. Take some wire and use pliers to bend it back. You want to create a small loop in the wire. Punch a hole in the shell and thread the wire through it. Add a decorative bead to the wire. Then use the pliers to fold the wire back. We don't want the bead to fall off. Now take another piece of wire and wrap it around the shell. Keep looping it around the shell, so you have something like this. Once you've done that, press the wire into the back of the shell. Then add a chain. Now you can always carry a part of the ocean with you. Hey, can I sit here? How are you? Oh, hi. I noticed you from across the beach and I wanted to give you this. Really? For me? It'll look great on you. I hope you like it. It's beautiful! So I was hoping we could hang out later. Maybe grab something to eat? That would be lovely. I can't wait. Huh? Is that my necklace? Where'd you get that?
Gotta go!
Men! Huh. Oops, I'm going this way. Oh, that looks cute.
Boo!
Don't do that!
Hey, take a photo of me.
Okay.
Yes, let me work on my poses.
Sure. Looking good.
I'm a natural in front of the camera.
Whoops!
No!
That was too close. Hold on. My necklace has given me an idea. Keep your phone safe with this handy hack. Start with a length of thread. Next, you'll need a decorative bead. Place the bead onto the thread. Then add a different colored bead. Alternate the colors, filling the thread. Once you've done that, tie a knot in the thread and admire your new bracelet. But don't cut off the excess thread. We need to tie another small knot in it at the top, making a loop in the thread. Place the bracelet to one side. Next, you'll need your phone case. Place the thread through the hole in the side of the case. Pass the bracelet through the loop. Make sure it's secure. Then insert your phone into the case. Cute, fashionable, and practical. Pretty smart, huh? I just need to wear it on my wrist and it stops my phone from dropping.
Whoa! Now can you take my photograph?
Oh yeah, that's it. That's a great photo. This is so adorable. I can't believe it's been 2 weeks already. We've had so many good times. I'm getting emotional. Oh, hi, David.
I'm needing this drink. It's so warm outside.
I have something for you.
What's this? An anniversary present?
I just wanted to do something special.
Whoa, thanks. Hold this, will ya?
Okay. It's not much, but I hope you like it.
It's great! It's just what I've always wanted!
So, aren't you forgetting something?
Huh? What? I'm not getting this.
I gave you a present, so…
Oh, right! I never knew we were doing gifts! I don't have anything for Betty! Of course I have something! Close your eyes!
Oh, I love surprises!
What am I gonna do? Oh, I know!
Need a gift in a hurry? We've got you covered. Remove the pull tabs from soda cans. Paint 3 of the tabs pink. This might get a little messy. Paint the other tabs green. Cover them completely with paint. Don't miss any spots. Then let them dry. Flip them over and paint the other side. Line the tabs up and join them together using metal rings. Add some earring hooks and you have some unique jewelry.
Okay, you can open your eyes.
Are those for me?
I hope you like them. They really suit you.
Oh, I love them! Thank you!
Phew.
Let me see that can. Is that…
Wow. What a coincidence.
You're so sweet. I just need to finish my makeup and I'm ready. There! Looking good. Although, I need something around my neck. This scarf will do. I'm not feeling it. It looks like a superhero's cape. How's that? This isn't working. I can't wear this. Oh, I have an idea.
I better put this shopping away.
Oh, that's just what I need!
Annie, what are you doing?
I need this, please! This will look good. Or at least I thought it would. There must be something I can wear. Oh, maybe I could use these. How does this look? Ridiculous. What was I thinking? What am I gonna do? It's so unfair. And now I'm gonna stress eat. Oh, these are good.
What's wrong, honey?
I just want a pretty necklace. Hang on. I think I have an idea. I wish I had thought of this earlier. This'll definitely work. Thanks, Mom. Remove the bottom from a plastic food container. Write your name on a piece of paper and place the lid over it. Then trace your name onto the plastic. We don't need this paper anymore. Use scissors to cut around the name. Be careful here. We don't want any mistakes. Place it on a baking sheet and put it into the oven. The heat will cause the plastic to shrink. Wait for it to cool and remove from the oven. It's time to get creative. Paint over the plastic. Wait for the paint to dry. Then attach a chain. My own personalized necklace! Whoa! It looks amazing! I'm finally ready to go.
I think I'll treat myself. Huh? How did that happen?
Okay, let's play a game. I'll put the necklace under this cup. Move them around. Remember to keep your eyes on the one with the necklace. That should be enough. Okay, what cup is the necklace under? 1, 2, or 3? Jewelry doesn't need to be expensive. You just need some creativity. Remember to tell us where you think the necklace is. Leave your guesses in the comments below. Don't forget to share this video with your friends, and remember to subscribe to our channel for more fun videos just like this one.